55 divided by 3. Here 3 is a divisor, so we need multiplication table of 3. 3 times 0 0, 3 times 1 3, 3 times 2 6, 3 times 3 9, 3 times 4 12, 3 times 5 15, 3 times 6 18, 3 times 7 21. To find out the multiplication table of 3, just add 3 with the previous step. 0 plus 3 3, 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 3 9, 9 plus 3 12, 12 plus 3 15, 15 plus 3 18. 3 goes into 5 how many times? One time. 1 time 3, which is 3. Subtract, you are getting 2. Bring down the next digit 5. 3 goes into 25 how many times? Okay, so 9 times 27, which is getter, so 8 times, which is 24. 8 times 3 24. Subtract 1, so our answer is 18 remainder 1. If you want to write your answer in decimal form, then what will happen? You can take here decimal, then add number of zeros, bring down the first zero, but before the zero there is a decimal. Decimal must come to the quotient directly. 3 goes into 10 how many times? 4 times 12, which is getter, so 3 times. 3 times 3 9. Subtract 1, bring down another 0. 3 goes into 10 how many times? 3 times. 3 times 3 9. Subtract 1, bring down another 0. 3 goes into 10 again 3 times. 3 times 3 9. Subtract 1. So our answer is 18.333 dot dot dot. Since this process is continuing, this is the answer. You can write your answer in another form. Just place a bar over 3 to mean that this digit is repeating.